I was just cleaning out some mice infested corners from the room. Found some 500s. Yes, it's a plus. Okay. I'm sure I removed the battery, so this will be fine. Okay. That's okay. Another dirty 500. Yes, they need a deep clean, that's for sure. Nothing special. All 500s. Yeah, it's a nice one. Some lighter keys, a little bit dusty, a lot dusty. Oh, not so yellowed. Oh, that's why. It's the mechanical keyboard with the better caps. They don't yellow that much. Oh, it's a defect. Need to repair this one. See if that's possible. I got a small cold, but that doesn't matter. Another old crusty 500. Obviously no mechanical keyboard. Just another ordinary 500. Put it here. Let's see, what's this? Another ordinary 500. Nothing special. Oh, that's special. Have to see how the caps are in this thing. I wonder how they are. That's... I'm bumping the tripod a little bit, but that's an old one, I guess. It has embossed lettering from Germany. Yeah, it's a pretty early one, I think. Why? It has embossed Commodore logo. Oh, also with mechanical keys, Commodore logo on one side, Amiga logo on the other side. Well, that's a nice one. Some value, I guess. What's this? Oh, that's really yellow. That must be an old one. Maybe not. It has a sticker C on it. Normal keyboard. Don't know what this one is. Obviously replaced from another one. I know because I did it. I pulled it off another yellow Amiga. I thought it's better to put it on this one. But whoa, what's this? Help me explain this. What's this all about? And it's closed still. Maybe we have to watch the mainboard once. Excuse me for my accent. I recorded this in one shot. I hope someone can help me explain this. I guess it's a sticker of hundreds and thousands other stickers. Well, maybe not that much, but maybe it's just the first one from a later one. Obviously it has mechanical keyboards and it has a sticker on it, and they go together because, and yes, I know the batsman makes these stickers also, but 30 years ago when I got it, no, I'm sure not. No replacement stickers then. Yeah, original ones maybe. But I don't think the batsman was that active then in this way. So yeah, let's see. I don't know. I'll keep it anyhow. Whoop. Doesn't matter. You have to use it or stack it.